Hello, Matthews. In this question, we're going to look at how to solve this quadratic by graphing. So first things first, this equation is set to 0, which is what I want. So we're good to enter it into our calculators. So this side I will put into y1, this side into y2. So let's go over to our calculators. Negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 in y1, 0 in y2. Now I can see that this is a parabola that opens down. It has a y-intercept at -4. So I think that my standard window setting is good. So I'm just going to do zoom 6 for my standard window setting. And I can see all the points, the vertex and the y-intercept. Notice there is no x-intercepts. So I only have 2 points defined on this graph. So we'll go second trace, and we're going to find, since it opens down, maximum. So I go around to this side here, press enter, go around to the right side. Oops, I went a little too far. Press enter, enter one more time, and there is my maximum value. Now I can see that my y-intercept is -4, but again, if you don't notice that or you forgot, you can go trace 0, which means when x is 0, press enter. What is y? It's -4. So let's put this on our graph now. So on our graph, we're going to start by doing our maximum, which is at -1.2. So -1.2 and then at -0.85. So -1.2 and just a little bit below like there. Okay, so I'm going to label that. So -1.2. And then on the other side, negative, we'll call it 0.9. I have a y-intercept at -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Okay, now remember the trick that we showed you about your a value? Since your a value is -2, you can move over 1 unit in either direction, 1 unit in either direction, and then go up or down the a value. Since it's negative, I'm going down the a value. So I'm going to go down 2. So 1, 2, right about there. And then over 1 and down 2, right about there. The only reason I do that is just to give me some shape to my graph. So there is my one side, there is my other side. And then I'll label this as well as -4. Okay, now remember solutions are x-intercepts, and I can see that there are no x-intercepts. So while it's tempting to say that there is no solution, that's partly right. There is no real solution. So there is a solution, but it's just not in the real numbers. So don't say no solution. I want you to say no real solution. That means there is no value of x that I can plug in here to make this equation equal to 0 because it doesn't cross the x-axis.